Welcome to this 2-bedroom flat for sale in Port Alfred, South Africa for R679,000. Modern townhouse in secure, gated complex. This is an end unit and so has more privacy and outside garden which flows out from the entertainment area. Each unit has its own grass and outside area. There is ample of parking space and the complex is neat, attractive and affordable. The complex has a communal pool for outside entertainment. Entering from the front door, the kitchen is on the left with modern cupboards, under counter and hob. The lounge is open plan and spacious with 2 large sliding doors leading onto the patio and grassed area. There is a downstairs cloakroom. Stairs lead us upstairs to 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, linen cupboard and another patio leading from the main bedroom. Bright and airy, this is a super starter home or lock up and go, ideal for a holiday home. Recommended by at R679,000. Phone us to view anytime. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.